What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be welding the diff on this thing, 3rd gen. I don't know what year.
93.
93 Toyota pickup. So if you get a Toyota, chances are it's probably rusty.
No.
Yeah. So we're just getting into it, but gotta take out your 4 bolts on the end of your axles, your brake line. You gotta drop your drive shaft, which is already causing grief, so we're gonna torch. Some ASMR. Alright, so we got the torch out, heated up those bolts, had to cut one off, that's okay, I got spares. Now we have drained the gear oil, only making some mess. On this particular gear, I don't know if you can see in there, but Sid is disconnecting the speed sensor right now. We have removed the brake lines. Those boys are taken off. And then next step will be remove the 4 bolts that hold the axles on both sides. Slide out the axles. So Sid's dealing with the speed sensor.
Trying to.
Lots of fun there.
Oh, yeah.
So on the other side I've already popped out. So there's 4 bolts here. And then the other side popped out really nice. So we're gonna see if this side pops out really nice too. Just give it a pull. And then you've dropped your axle out of your 3rd. Alright, I didn't video pulling it out, but as you can see, the 3rd is now on the ground. As you can tell, we've pulled the 3rd out. So you can check inside that housing for metal bits and stuff like that, and clean it all out. Now what we're gonna do is run a can of brake clean through there, clean it all up, and weld it up. Alright, so now that you got the diff out of the truck, you're ready to weld it up. If this was a car or something like that, I don't worry about plating it, because this is a 4x4, under a little bit more stress, I plate it. So, you can see I got 1 plate ready to go. I'm gonna make another one, and what I'll do is I'll tack up the 4 corners first, then I'll drop this plate in there, and I'll just weld the whole thing, essentially creating a locker. It's actually pretty tight in there right now. Get it out. So yeah, we just got a nice little plate, trimmed to size. It sits in there nice and tight. Then I'll do that on both sides. And I'm gonna preheat it also, and then send it home. Alright, so I was gonna time-lapse welding that, but my camera died, so here we go. We got one welded void with a nice plate in there. It's nice and warm. Alright guys, so we're just kind of been powering through this, but we cleaned up the carrier. Just use a razor blade or whatever. Get that gasket up there, put some RTV on there. As you can see, slap that on there, bolt everything back together, bolting all this up. If you spin this side, the other side spins at the same rate. So now, be making old ladies mad in parking lots. Yeah. So, there we go. We have one welded diff. Both spin the same direction. That's what you want. So in conclusion, took a couple hours, all said and done. I think we were about 3 hours with filming and stuff, but that's how you weld a diff, so thanks for watching.